Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Comfort Podcast.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's conversation is all about talking about yesterday in English.
That's right. Talking about yesterday is one of the most useful skills in everyday English.
We talk about yesterday all the time: what we did, where we went, who we met, and how we felt.
And don't worry, we're going to keep everything simple, relaxed, and easy to understand.
So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's practice English together.
And before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us continue creating new episodes for English learners all around the world.
And if you know someone who is learning English too, you can share this video with them.
You can also give this video a like if you're excited to improve your English with us today.
All right, Emma, tell me, how was your day yesterday?
Actually, yesterday was a really nice day.
Really? Now I'm curious. What did you do yesterday?
Well, I woke up quite early. It was around 7 o'clock. The weather was beautiful, so I opened my window and took a deep breath. Everything felt so peaceful.
That sounds like a wonderful way to start the day. What did you do next?
I made myself a cup of coffee and prepared a simple breakfast. I ate some toast with fresh fruit, and I listened to some relaxing music.
That sounds lovely. Did you stay at home all morning?
No, after breakfast, I decided to go for a short walk. I went to the little park near my apartment. There were lots of people enjoying the morning. I saw children playing, people walking their dogs, and a few runners. The flowers were beautiful, and the air was fresh.
That sounds so relaxing. I think mornings like that can make the whole day feel better.
I think so too. Sometimes, the simple moments are the most enjoyable.
Friends, did you notice something? Emma talked about yesterday very naturally. She said, I woke up. I made coffee. I ate breakfast. I went to the park. I saw children.
Don't worry if you don't remember every word. Just listen carefully, repeat with us, and little by little, these expressions will become part of your everyday English.
Your morning sounded wonderful. What happened after your walk?
Well, after I came home, I spent a little time reading. I made another cup of coffee and sat by the window with a good book. It was very quiet.
That sounds so relaxing. Did you stay home all afternoon?
No, around 1 o'clock, I met one of my friends for lunch. We went to a small cafe downtown.
Oh? What did you order?
I ordered a grilled chicken sandwich and an iced tea. My friend ordered a salad. Everything tasted delicious.
That sounds really nice. What did you talk about?
We talked about our families, our work, and our plans for the summer. We laughed a lot. I always enjoy spending time with her.
Good conversations always make time pass quickly.
Exactly. When we finished lunch, we walked through a nearby park. We saw beautiful flowers, many colorful butterflies, and lots of families enjoying the sunshine.
That sounds like a perfect afternoon. Friends, did you notice something? Emma naturally used many useful past tense verbs. She said, we met, we went, I ordered, we talked, we laughed, we walked, we saw.
These are some of the most common verbs you'll hear in everyday English. You don't need to memorize them all today. Just keep listening, keep repeating, and little by little, they'll become part of your English naturally.
I noticed something. You didn't tell your story all at once. You told it step by step.
That's true. When we talk about yesterday, we usually tell a story in order. We talk about one thing, then the next thing, and then what happened after that.
Can you show us how?
Of course. I often use simple time expressions. For example, yesterday morning, I went for a walk. Then, I came home. After that, I met my friend for lunch. Later, we walked through the park. In the evening, I watched a movie.
That sounds so natural. Those little expressions help your listener follow the story.
Exactly. They make your story easy to understand.
Let's share a few useful expressions together.
Yesterday, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening.
Last night, then, after that, later, finally.
Friends, try saying these expressions with us. Yesterday, then, after that, later, finally.
You don't need long sentences. Even a simple story is wonderful. For example, yesterday I went to the supermarket. Then I came home. After that, I cooked dinner. Finally, I watched a movie.
See? Just a few simple sentences can tell a complete story. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Now it's your turn, Daniel. Tell us about your yesterday.
All right. My yesterday was a little busier than yours.
Really? What happened?
Well, I woke up a little late. I looked at the clock, and it was already 8:30.
Oh no! Did you miss your alarm?
Yes, I did. I think I turned it off and went back to sleep.
I think we've all done that before.
Probably. So, I got ready very quickly. I made a quick breakfast, drank my coffee, and left the house.
Did everything go smoothly after that?
Not exactly. When I arrived at the bus stop, the bus had already left. I was only 1 minute late.
Oh, that's unlucky. What did you do?
I decided to walk instead. It took a little longer, but the weather was beautiful. So, I actually enjoyed the walk.
Sometimes, unexpected things become the best part of the day.
Exactly. On my way, I saw a small bakery. The smell of fresh bread was amazing. So, I went inside and bought 2 warm croissants.
Now that sounds like a happy ending.
It really was. When I finally arrived at work, I wasn't stressed anymore. Actually, I was in a very good mood.
Friends, did you notice how naturally Daniel told his story? He used many common past tense verbs. He said, I woke up, I made, I left, I arrived, I saw, I went, I bought.
When you tell a real story, these verbs come naturally. Don't think about grammar first. Think about your memories. Then, tell your story, one step at a time.
Daniel, I really enjoyed your story. Can I ask you a few more questions?
Of course. Go ahead.
What time did you get home yesterday?
I got home at about 6 o'clock.
Did you cook dinner?
Yes, I did. I made some pasta with vegetables and grilled chicken.
That sounds delicious. Did anyone eat dinner with you?
No, I ate alone. But I called my parents while I was eating. We talked for almost 30 minutes.
I'm sure they were happy to hear from you.
They were. We laughed a lot. My father told me a funny story about his day.
What did you do after dinner?
After dinner, I cleaned the kitchen, took a warm shower, and watched an episode of my favorite series.
That sounds like a relaxing evening. Did you stay up late?
No, I didn't. I went to bed around 10:30.
Friends, did you notice today's questions? We asked, what time did you get home? Did you cook dinner? Did anyone eat with you? What did you do after dinner? These are very common questions in everyday English.
And notice something important. After the word did, the verb stays in its simple form. We say, did you cook? Not, did you cooked? We say, did you go? Not, did you went?
Don't worry if this feels a little difficult today. The more you listen, the more natural it becomes. Little by little, you'll start asking these questions without even thinking about them. Now, it's your turn. Let's practice together.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Just relax. Listen and answer with us.
I'll ask you a few simple questions. Take your time and try to answer out loud.
Ready? Let's begin.
What time did you wake up yesterday?
Great. There are many possible answers. For example, I woke up at 7 o'clock. Or, I woke up late.
What did you eat for breakfast?
Maybe you can say, I ate cereal. I ate eggs. Or, I didn't eat breakfast.
Where did you go yesterday?
Perhaps you went to work, to school, to the supermarket, or maybe you stayed at home.
Who did you spend time with?
You might say, I spent time with my family. I met a friend. Or, I was alone.
What was the best part of your day?
That's my favorite question. Everyone has a different answer.
Maybe you enjoyed a good meal. Maybe you watched a great movie. Or maybe you simply enjoyed a quiet evening at home.
Remember, you don't need long sentences. Even 3 or 4 simple sentences can tell a beautiful story.
The most important thing is to speak. Little by little, day after day, your confidence will grow.
And one day, you'll realize you're talking about yesterday without translating in your head.
That's the goal. Not perfection, but comfortable, natural communication. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
We hope today's conversation helped you feel more comfortable talking about yesterday in English.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to tell a great story. Start with simple sentences. Yesterday, I went. I saw. I ate. I was happy.
The more you practice, the more natural these words will become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every conversation is another step forward.
Now we'd love to hear from you. Tell us about your yesterday in the comments below. Even 1 or 2 simple sentences are wonderful practice.
And if you enjoyed learning with us today, please subscribe to English Comfort Podcast. It really helps us continue creating new episodes for English learners around the world.
If this episode helped you, please give it a like. And if you have a friend or family member who is learning English, share this video with them. Learning together is always more enjoyable.
Next time, we'll have another relaxed English conversation to help you build your confidence one step at a time.
Until then, take care of yourself. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, enjoy learning English.
We'll see you again very soon.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.